Welcome back to Talentless Creations. Last video we were talking about filling out these templates here. Um, I filled out both of them. This one is more general, so it's very brief, but I filled out the template. I, I suggest I think that this game's gonna last take about a year or so. Uh, the tools I'm going to use for this game is Unreal 5, Blender, and Kira. The uh, Just gave kind of a brief description. The game. My idea for the game is a game that's heavily inspired by the Bible because there's like a lot of good books and a few good movies out there that were inspired by the Bible. Like you got like Prince of Egypt that DreamWorks made and things of that sort. But any game that I've seen at least, when it tries to tie in the Bible, it's just kind of it's bad. Like it's created badly, or they didn't have the budget to create it correctly. Um, so I'm going to try to do that in this game, and hopefully I'll succeed. The Down here at the bottom where it's a success criteria, my idea of success is to have the game work similar to how Valheim worked when it first was early access. It didn't have that many bugs, and it felt like a pretty um, pretty uh, uh, good game. It didn't have any kind of it, it had a lot of content, and it felt like it was mostly finished by the time they brought it up to the Steam store. So that's kind of the basics here. I I filled out this, which has more information, uh, talking about the different themes, the influences, and I wrote down this elevator pitch, and I also wrote down this product description. I'm honestly not the best at writing things, so what I ended up doing is taking this product description and then kind of bouncing ideas back and forth with ChatGPT and created this really nice uh, game concept here that is much better than I could create. That lists kind of what it's about. The idea that I have for this game is that your health is going to be tied um, to a lantern that like sits on your hip. And so when you die, your lantern fades out, like when you die, your the light goes out type of thing, and that's how you know that you are low in health is your light gets darker and darker. Um, it's gonna have a lot of like um, it's gonna be like a third person shooter or not third person shooter, but a third person action RPG, similar to like Elden Ring and those types of games. I'm hoping that I'll be able to create a good uh, combat system, and that's pretty much the idea here. Um, if you guys have any kind of if you've already filled this out or you want to talk about what your project is, just feel free to leave a comment and let me know. Um, I I finished or I got clo or got finished with part of the game already, which is nice. The Right now, I have a light that will follow the character around, which is very basic, um, but it feels good to actually, start creating this thing instead of just sitting here and typing up documents and things of that sort. Um, it took me about, well, I spent 20 minutes trying to figure out how to do it myself, and then I just ended up Googling it, and um, there's a lot of tutorials on how to create a flashlight in the Unreal Engine. I'll link the short that was pretty clear and concise to me. All I did was I went into the content drawer and I found my blueprint, and I just double clicked on that and added let's enlarge this. I added this point light and attached it to this mesh character. So now this point light will follow the mesh character any whenever they're moving around. I can change the intensity here. Um, and so when I hit play, it should, you know, be a lot brighter. And um, that's kind of how I think I'll be editing like your health and things of that sort. I'll need to create a blueprint for that or something to that or something like that. Um, but that's pretty much it for tonight. I hope you have a great rest of your night and thank you for watching.